Hello, my dear friends. Today I'll share with you ancient Japanese beauty secrets that help remove wrinkles, tighten the skin, and restore a youthful glow, even at 70. Eggs are the main ingredient in today's recipes. Egg white gently tightens the skin and minimizes pores. Egg yolk nourishes, softens, and helps smooth fine lines. Both are rich in proteins and vitamins that support collagen and elasticity. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more natural beauty secrets. First recipe: 1 teaspoon of egg white, ½ teaspoon of starch. Starch helps tighten the skin and smooth fine lines. Benefit: this mask firms the skin and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. How to use: apply evenly to clean skin on your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then with cool water to tone the skin. Moisturize your skin afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week, preferably in the morning. Friends, write in the comments, where are you watching from? Second recipe: 1 teaspoon of egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of oat flour, ½ teaspoon of honey. Honey deeply nourishes and softens the skin. Benefit: this mask restores elasticity and gives the skin a healthy, radiant glow. How to use: apply evenly to clean skin on your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then with cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Please like, comment, and share this video to support the channel. Third recipe: 1 teaspoon of egg white, one teaspoon of lemon juice. Lemon helps brighten dark spots and even out the skin tone. This mask brightens dull skin and helps reduce pigmentation. How to use: apply evenly to clean skin on your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then with cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to subscribe for more powerful beauty recipes. Fourth recipe: 1 teaspoon of egg yolk, ½ teaspoon of avocado oil. Avocado oil nourishes and improves skin elasticity. This mask deeply hydrates, softens fine lines, and supports firmness. How to use: apply evenly to clean skin on your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Moisturize. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Fifth recipe: 1 teaspoon of egg white, 1/2 teaspoon of glycerin. Glycerin locks in moisture and smooths the skin. This mask keeps the skin hydrated and smooth throughout the day. How to use. Apply evenly to clean skin on your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse warm, then cool. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week. 6th recipe. 1 teaspoon of egg yolk. 1 teaspoon of snail mucin gel. Snail mucin helps repair the skin and improve elasticity. This mask rejuvenates and strengthens the skin barrier. How to use. Apply evenly to clean skin on your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.